Okay, here we are in week 8. This week, the focus in English 12 is on drafting out your research paper that will be due next week in week 9. So this week, you will spend some time talking about how to incorporate quotes and other research smoothly into your writing and other details that help fill in and give depth to your writing so that you can fill in your draft. You have a good outline and organization. Now it's time to actually write it out and add your own voice to the organization and to the research. So this week you're going to watch this video on building depth and adding detail. This will just help you give you ideas of what kinds of material to include in the body paragraphs of your paper. You already have the introduction written and the conclusion. This is how to add depth and detail to the body paragraphs. There's an exercise you can complete to help you, and when you complete this exercise, it's not graded, but the information and the material that you write for this exercise can be put directly into your paper later. So that's something that will really help you if you take the time to do it. And I encourage you to do that, especially watch this video and complete the exercise. You're going to watch this review of MLA quotations and then take this quiz assignment module. I wasn't sure exactly what to call it, but this is not a quiz. This is actually an assignment in a quiz, in the quiz tool in Moodle. But this will take you a while, so make sure you are ready to sit down, and you can go back and save it and come back, but make sure that you're ready to sit down and watch some videos that are in the quiz questions, answer questions, and include some sample writing. You'll actually find some research that you've done and you'll actually be quoting from it. So doing some writing that will be graded in there. Next, there's some resources on MLA format and a final paper checklist. This is the checklist that you will use to evaluate your own paper and the checklist I will use as I grade your paper. So you'll know exactly what I'm looking for as I grade your final research paper. You'll have an assignment to submit your complete draft to paperrater.com. So you'll paste it in there and it will give you some feedback that you can use to help you revise your own paper. Then you will evaluate your own paper this week using this paper checklist. And at the end of the week, if you have completed everything by noon on Friday, then you'll receive extra credit. The draft this week, you're just looking at your own. Just looking ahead next week, you'll have the option of sharing that for extra credit in a peer editing forum where you can get help from your peers to improve your paper. And that is it for week 8. Good luck.